everyone.
Thank you so much for tuning in and Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday. Today we are going to make avocado toast. It's pretty much requested from the vlog channel. Like, I make this all the time and I know it's simple, but I thought I could make a dedicated video so whenever you guys ask like, how did you make it? I can just link it below. So this is how I make avocado toast. Alright, so for the ingredients for the avocado toast, you'll need avocados. You'll also need a lemon wedge. This will make it really good. Red onions, and slice those really thin. I like using a mandolin. And any bread that you like, wheat bread, whole grain, white bread. I was actually at Sprouts checking out and I smelled this delicious French bread. And so I got it. And so that's what I'm using. And then you'll also need eggs. You can hard boil, fry them, however way you want, but I love hard boiled eggs on top. So you'll need salt and pepper, paprika and cayenne pepper. I like things to be spicy. I love Frank's Red Hot. Like, I put that on everything. And then I also got this special the spice seasoning I actually got as a gift from my parents-in-law, David and Susan. I'm sure you guys can find that on Amazon. It's like an all-purpose type of seasoning. Something similar, Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel, I heard, is something similar. But yeah, definitely try that out. So let's get started. So let's get a large bowl and place the avocados in there, mash them all up. Then you're ready to add the salt, the pepper, the paprika, the cayenne pepper, lemon juice. I just use a fork and I just like mix all of those ingredients up. And then you're pretty much done. Add a little bit of pepper as well. And then you're ready to place that on top of any delicious bread that you have. And then just cover it all up. And then you're ready to add the red onions. After you add the red onions, add the egg, the hard-boiled egg, and then after that, I like to add a little bit of the Frank's Hot. Oh, I love that hot sauce. You just add as much as you want, and then a little bit of that special shiznit. You just sprinkle a little bit of that, and then you're ready to eat it. You guys, we have taste tester, even though Justin's eaten this like 10 times already.
No, but I did my critical analysis.
Okay. But the bread, oh my gosh, the bread.
That's new.
I bought at Sprouts this morning and it was still hot. Like, the bread makes it, doesn't it? Ooh, see, ooh, when the eyes close, you know, you know.
You know what this reminds me of? I used to get this sandwich at Togo's. It was like avocado and turkey.
Okay.
But the bread tasted just like this. It was like white, fluffy bread. Oh my gosh, this takes the avocado toast up like, boom, up a notch.
And we didn't even toast the bread, my bad.
No, avocado bread, it's all good.
Avocado toast bread.
But let's talk about this. This is not just like your basic squishing avocados on toast. Like the mashing it, putting the lemon juice, like the paprika, the stuff that she puts in there.
It's good.
Really makes a difference than just like slicing up avocados. The red onion, you get kind of like a little bite, crunch, a little kick to it. And then with the Frank's Red Hot and this special, I know it might be hard to find, but like that special S stuff that we use. All of those flavors together, I don't know how to describe it. It's just, it tastes incredible. I mean, you could charge $18 for this.
Oh, okay. Well,
$18 at a fancy restaurant.
$18.
But you're my wife.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Well, if you said I could charge, I mean, I feel like I should open up my semi-homemade pastry shop like that I made earlier today. Anyways, friends, we're gonna actually eat lunch because it's exactly noon right now. So we're gonna eat this lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!